Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. I'm going to start by giving you the measurements of what I have. I have two full squares, 36 by 36 inches. I have an elastic band, the length of your underbust with 1 inch allowance for room, and I have 4 straps, 36 inches each in length. So first, I have one point of the square, both squares. The square comes with 4 points. So any one of the points, you go ahead and first from the tip of the point, you mark down 8 inches on one side. And on the other side, you mark down 12 inches and then you mark 18 inches. So once again, from the tip, all the way down, you mark 8 inches. On the other side, from one tip to down is 12 inches. And then from one tip further down, it's 18 inches. So this line that I placed here, I just placed the line so you could see. This line is where you're going to flat stitch down the elastic. So the elastic band is going to go here. Then on one side of the opening that you have the 8 inch, after the 8 inch you're going to flat stitch all the way down till you reach to the end. Also from the other side, after the 18 inches, you're going to flat stitch all the way down till the end, so that way you join both pieces together. Also for the two front pieces, I'm going to go ahead and fold in and stretch stitch, and I'm going to go ahead and fold this side in and stretch stitch. So that's what we will be doing today. So we're going to begin by first joining the two squares together. So I'm going to go ahead and flat stitch down from the 18 inch, and from the 8 inch I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way down. So I'm going to do that and I'll be back to show you what next. So I've stitched both sides, closed them up. They're both closed. Now the opening section that you have, which is the 8 inches down and 18 inches, I'm going to just fold over the opening and just flat stitch all the way down to the closure. So I'm going to do this on both pieces. Each piece has 2 sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do this on both sides on each pieces. I'm just going to fold it in and I'm going to stitch it down. I'm going to do it to the front and to the back on both pieces. I'm going to stitch down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. The elastic that goes on the underbust, it's going to go on the marking that I put. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stitch the elastic all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead, stitch the elastic and close, flat stitch down all 4 sides. I'm going to go ahead and do that and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So here I flat stitch down. The cup area, I place the strap onto the cup area. I place the strap on the waist. This is the back, this is the front, and the sides is sewn. The only thing left for me to do is have to hem the dress all the way around to the bottom. Just hem everything, all the salvage edges, and that would be the end of sewing the dress. So I'm gonna go ahead now and hem the dress, and it will be completed.